What's up guys? So this is another rebuild project I'm doing currently. It's a 2008 Honda CRV with some front end damage. Basically, well, you can't really tell right now, it's all taped back together, but this side of the car was hit into a lamppost. The whole front bumper, this like lower section of the bumper had fallen off. The bumper had fallen off. Literally, the person put all the parts back into the car, into the boot, and drove it home. And then I went round and just put it back together temporarily until they could bring it here to get it rebuilt. But yeah, this is the car. It's a 2008 Honda CRV. I think it's sparkle grey metallic paint. Quite a nice colour, metallic. It's got some parking sensors, headlight washers. This one's smashed and is missing. The cover's missing. The fog light's missing. This whole bottom section needs to be replaced. Bumper needs to be replaced. This arch trim needs to be replaced. Fender liner also needs to be replaced. There's a box, an air box that goes in here that also needs to be replaced. There's quite a few things. This will take at least two days, maybe 3 to rebuild. I'll give it a nice wash and a clean as well, just to make the customer happy. This is not one of my rebuild projects. It's just a vehicle that I'm doing for somebody. But yeah, you can see the damage. Just take you around the car quickly. Somebody's keyed this side, but that's not being fixed today. Somebody also keyed. Oh, somebody keyed this side as well. Other than that, the rest of the car's fine. I've bought brand new parts for all of it. I've sourced it from wherever I could find it for like the best price, to be honest. Some things like that little washer cover, so that little cover for that side from Honda was about £60. I managed to get it for like 10. This lower section of the bumper was 150 or £200. I got it for 70. So I've tried to save the customer quite a bit of money on this. It's just a sort of like a budget rebuild. It's not really a budget rebuild, but it's not like an over-the-top insurance job if they did go through insurance. So as you can see, this car's looking brand new now. Body lines are pretty much perfect. I gave it a proper good clean. You can actually see some kind of reflection in the paint. Cleaned all the glass with some nice glass cleaner, mirrors, everything. It's all beautiful now. Looks like a brand new car. Even the wheels are very crusty before. It's all looking spotless, squeaky clean. But yeah, let me take you back to the front end. Sorry about not actually recording some of the process. Basically, I normally use this phone, but main thing is I ran out of storage on the phone, and I also cracked it, so need to get that repaired. I'm basically using a different device to film. I feel like the quality is better on this one, but you guys can decide that. But yeah. It's got the fender liners on this side. Fender liner on this side as well. Just take you further back. Pretty beautiful, can't lie. It's just gonna be a one video series. I didn't manage to film anything today. Apologies for that. But as I said, I broke the phone I normally use to record. But yeah, you can even see like a reflection in the paint now. Quite a simple task, but it did take quite a lot of hours to get it done perfectly. I took out the headlight, I took off this grille, and everything's lining up beautifully, just like OEM. That's all for this video, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you do, and let me know what you want to see in the next one.